Welcome to the BDQtopia video editing tutorial. I hope all of you are fine. Today we will learn about motion tracking in Filmora. Let's begin the tutorial. I have added a video to the timeline from stock media. Go to the AI tools. Enable the motion tracking. Reduce the size of the tracker and keep it in the middle of the object you want to track. Click to start motion track. Add a sticker, and set the duration accordingly. You can adjust the size of the sticker to fit your requirements. Go to the settings of the motion tracking. Select the link element to sticker name. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.